This is our gorgeous cream crochet Salvatore Ferragamo bag. I love this. I just think it's so soft and tactile. It's such a nice fabric to have in a bag. So you've got your Salvatore Ferragamo there, and it's got a zip top, which again has Ferragamo there. Inside you've got quite a big spacious compartment with one zipped pocket with your label, and also on the zip pull Ferragamo there as well. And it's also got two flat pockets. Okay, it comes with the original dust bag. It's in really good condition. The inside is absolutely immaculate, and on the outside I've called it very good condition. There's not really any signs of anything wrong with it. It's just that, you know, it's been used a couple of times, but really beautiful, tactile, soft bag. It feels a little bit vintage. I just love it. I think it's gorgeous.